Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Frugalisama. My name's Sam, this is where I talk about all things sewing. And today I've got a video about the Sew Upcycle 24 challenge. This is a challenge in its third year running now, and it's hosted by Becky from Notes from a Sewing Room and Karen, who is So Little Time. Both of them are on YouTube and Instagram, and if you watch their videos they will be introducing the challenge. It's in its third year running now, and I've taken part all 3 years. It's one of my favourite challenges, and I'm just here to give you some of my ideas. So I'll just briefly tell you what the challenge is. It is to find something that isn't already just normal fabric. So you're looking to upcycle something. So I've done 2 videos previously where I've shared you with all the ideas that I've done in the past. Upcycled maternity dresses. This is one of my favourite upcycles. This used to be a maternity dress, made it into a needy top. One of my favourites in that I wear it all the time. Mandy here is wearing, this used to be a throw, a quilted throw, and I've turned that into a pogo nip thrower, sweater, whatever you want to call it. So you can use anything. Tablecloths, duvet covers, shower curtains, serviettes, napkins, whatever you want to call them, or just regular clothes. And that could be something that you've outgrown yourself, or maybe something in your husband's wardrobe. Shirts and things like that are ideal because you can just you can make it into something smaller for children. Duvet covers are fantastic because you've got miles and miles of fabric, especially if you can get hold of a king size duvet. Or you can go into a charity shop and find something from a charity shop. So I'm just going to share with you 2 ideas that I've had today. I've been through my big pile of recycling. I've narrowed it down to 2 things that I want to do. One is a shirt, and the other one is a skirt that I want to upcycle. So if you bear with me 1 second, I'll go get them. So here we have, I'll just put it on Mandy for you, a cobalt blue, I'm calling it cobalt blue men's shirt. And I picked this up in a charity shop maybe 2, maybe 3 years ago, and I just love the colour of it. It's just my colour. Just made a pair of trousers that have got flecks of this colour in, and I think this would make a lovely sort of downsized shirt. So it's not a massive size, this. I think it's just a large. It's not an extra large or anything like that. And I'm just going to refashion it into like a lady's blouse. Nothing too fancy. I want to be able to maintain this really interesting pocket detail. So if I just show you this placket here, so you've got a placket running down here. I've never seen this before, and then you've got this secret pocket here. So I want to be able to somehow maintain that. So it has got some nice details on this, and it's 100% cotton, so I will definitely wear it. But I have taken all the buttons off it if you watch my video the other day, I took all the buttons off it for the shirt that I was making the other day. So that's that one. I'm going to share with you, I'll just share with you the book that I've got the inspiration from. This book last Sew Cycle, and in here we've got lots of ideas for upcycling things, but the one that I thought would be ideal for it is this cropped shirt. So you can see here that it's sort of been reimagined. So she's put some darts in here, and then made it into like a mandarin collar, and shortened the sleeves so the cuffs are missing off the sleeves. So I think that would be perfect. So this is the Portia Lorry refashioned wardrobe. Loads of great ideas in there. So the other one is this skirt that I found in a charity shop. Now, I've never seen anything quite like this. Just look at that. So it's got, you can hear it jangling a little bit. It's got like a bit of a really wrecked belt on it, but it's got lots of little embroidery details and like little mirrors and things on it. So if I bring that up close, you can see it's got like little mirrors. Now this has had a lot of wear. It is really in quite a bad condition. So I think this is ideal for upcycling. So I actually paid £7 for this in a charity shop, which is quite expensive actually for something, but it's so unusual. But because it's in such a bad state, you can see, if you look at it closely, when I got it home, I looked at it quite closely. There's been quite a few repairs on it, so it's been much loved as this. You can see it's all beautifully embroidered, and it's quite heavy. Again, that's probably one of the reasons why I wouldn't wear it. But the thing is, if I hadn't bought this, because of the condition of it, it would probably have gone to landfill. So I feel like I've rescued this beautiful piece. So if I hold it up here, you can see it's got lots of details on it. And I think I'm going to turn that into a bag. So the rules are that you're to make it either into something into a garment or into a bag, no accessories, nothing for your pets or anything like that. So I think that's going to be a bag. So watch this space. I'm not 100% sure which bag pattern I'm going to use, or if indeed I am going to use a pattern, I might just make it on the fly and see what comes out. So I'm trying very hard not to overwhelm myself this year with the challenge I've done. Last year I was in a lucky position where I was going on holiday and I had lots of holiday clothes to upcycle, but I think coming into autumn now, this is the ideal time to rummage through your wardrobes, get out all that summer stuff that you haven't worn, or if you're coming into spring, vice versa, get out all the autumn and winter stuff that you haven't worn, and just look at it with a fresh pair of eyes and see if you can make it into something else and get some more wear out of it. So that's it from me today. Those are my ideas. Like I say, if you want to watch the other 2 videos where I've shared lots of other upcycle ideas that I've done over the years, we'll link those to the end at the end for you. And there are lots of bloggers every day. So yesterday would have been Mandy, Make It So, and tomorrow will be Karen, which is made by Karen Marie. Those are your vloggers from yesterday and tomorrow. Let me know below if you are taking part. The reveal is on Instagram on the 31st of October, by the way. I put all the details up on my screen for you so you can see it, and also there's lots of prizes if you needed a little bit of added incentive. So yeah, let me know if you are fancying taking part. What's your favourite thing to upcycle? Have you done anything unusual like myself with the maternity dress, or the skirt into a bag? Let me know below. I love talking to you. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.